Hello guys, and welcome to this video. So in this video we would be discussing about some of the more detailed version about Finder. So within this Finder we have side menu bar, we have top menu bars, or we have the breadcrumbs here, right? The status bar here. Now the point is, when we are working as a part of a development, right? So it is always essential to understand like how we need to view these items, right? So we can view these items, all of these items, we can view this in the form of like list, columns, gallery, icons, and so on and so forth, right? So, but as a developer point of view, we always recommend to use either in the form of list or in the form of columns, because if we use it in the form of columns, it would be easy to navigate. We can identify like how and what all the file systems that are there behind a specific directory. And it is always advisable in order to group the items within a particular folder in the form of like date added, so that we have a very clear picture like when was a system, or when what was the file or the folder that was getting updated or added within that directory. Similarly, we have added tags here where we saw in the previous lectures, like in order to assign certain different tags. But in case we need to add it, or we need to add certain tags, how we can do that, right? So let's try to do that. Let's go to settings. Over here we have tags. With this tag we have an option to add it here. So let's say we can say like workout sessions. Once you've added workout session, you see like workout session tag has been added. We can even specify specific color. Say for example, we can specify it as green, right? Now this has been added. Now once this particular thing has been added, we can actually prioritize the work in such a way that each and every folder which is corresponding to red, it will be on a very high alert. Like it is very critical. It has to be fixed immediately. For all the areas or the tags which we have it in yellow color, it should be in a good to go scenario where the things are ready to be shipped or to be deployed. If it is in green color, we can assume that it is already shipped, it is in the production, or the code is already there, some fine tunings are there, or it has to be in a full-fledged environment, right? So in that way we can try to optimize our way of work based on the tags. Now I would say you would have some very good understanding on how the macOS system work, what are the navigation systems that is being performed, how the tagging works, the Finder concepts, and multiple other things, right? So now let's try to move forward in the next module to get more advanced concepts on macOS.